Oh my God. Hi Explorers, Kita Explorer here, and today I am here with an unboxing from Trouvailles Box. So Trouvailles Box, they reached out to me maybe a couple weeks ago, and they wanted me to receive this box because it is kind of like a travel related box, and I'm really excited about it. And so they want me to review the box and share it with you guys. And at the end of the video, I will have a code for you to buy your own box, because this box right here, I was already excited when they told me what it was, and I went to the website. So here is the box. Yes, yes, yes. And we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna show you what's inside, show you the goodies, and tell you about the box and how frequently you can get it and give you that discount code. So let's get into it. So like I said, here is the box. I'm gonna open it up. I really love the color of this packaging. Nice little flavor in the box, in my mailbox. It is secure tight here. Okay. So here is the box. And before I could even get into the box, it has a card here. It says Trouvailles Box. It's an authentic travel box. So Trouvailles, it is a fun, exciting travel box that delivers authentic foods and products from a new destination each time. Oh my gosh. I believe this box is Russia, so we're about to get into it. But they are a Canadian-based company, and they ship bi-monthly to Canada and the US. And the shipping prices start at $45.99 Canadian dollars or $36 US dollars approximately. And their prices already include shipping. And bi-monthly means, so if they ship in January, then they're gonna ship again in March, okay? And so what is inside these boxes? You get 6 to 8 authentic local items from a featured destination. A mix of delightful full-size foods, home decor, bath and body, kitchen tools, wearable accessories, and more. Well, I didn't know all that. I thought it was like gonna be food items. So I love that there's a whole mixture here, like giving you a whole vibe of a country and its tradition. And then it says a postcard is included and a discovery booklet. No clutter, no cheap junk, and no tacky souvenirs. Okay, like what? And you can visit their website at Trouvaillesbox.com, which I'll have linked down below. So now let's get into opening the box for real. So here is the box. I love doing that. And here is the inside of the box. And it looks nicely packaged, so that's cool. So on the top, yes, it is Russian. On the top is a postcard. Oh my gosh. And it is written in English. What is it? Oh, in French. So it says, oh, and this has welcome to Russia, and that's definitely in Russian. I can't read that. It says, welcome to Russia. For those who don't read Cyrillic, we've explored the world's biggest nation from its Baltic West to Pacific East to pack this month's box to the brim with our favorite Russian discoveries just for you. And it says, Markita, enjoy this trip to Russia. I'm excited because I went to Russia back in 2014, and I enjoyed my time there. It's actually one of my favorite trips. So I'm excited about getting in here to see like if it brings back some memories from Russia. Okay, and so now they have a booklet inside. And on the front of the booklet, it says Russia edition number 8, January 2022. And when you open it up, it's giving you information about Russia. Like, this is a traveler's dream. And it says, let's get started. So I guess this is what is going to be inside of the box. So in the front 2 pages, it's like giving you some information about Russia, but then it looks like starting on page 3, it's talking about what's inside. So I'm gonna leave this open and we're gonna start going inside the box. And oh my gosh, I see Matryoshka dolls. That was like a thing. When I went to Russia, it was a thing, like we had to find Matryoshka dolls and then ended up buying too many. It's so old. These are so cute. I feel like I found some like this. So these are Matryoshka dolls. If you don't know what Matryoshka dolls are, they're dolls embedded inside. So here is the baby one. You can't even see it. I'm like trying to hold it. Here's the baby one. It's so small you can't see it. It goes inside. Another one. Here we go. And then the big one goes inside. How adorable. I'm so excited about this. Yeah. Like what? It talks about the Matryoshka dolls. And it says it's one of Russia's most recognizable handcrafts. Yes, it is, okay? Like I said, we were determined to buy some. It says Matryoshka dolls recall the country's history of large peasant families led by strong mother figures. These hand-painted ladies are typically embellished with designs that are rich in symbolism and history, from specific flowers to their dress style and even famous landmarks. Best of all, each doll is full of surprises. So that was the first thing in the box. That is really exciting. I'm already like, yes, like that is perfect. So the next is Tulsky Pryaniki, and it's a honey spice cake with sweet filling. That sounds good. That sounds really good. It says the city of Tula is most well known for its glazed jam-filled spice cakes, individually stamped with ornate decoration. The perfect tea-time accompaniment, the Tula Pryanix, that word gets me every time. Pryanix history dates back to the 17th century and the city's weapons trade. In periods of downtime, local gunsmiths created ever more complicated metal mold stamps for their favorite sweet treat. I love that it's giving me information about how each of these things originate from Russia. Next up is 3 Koroshki dill pickle rye rust with tartar dipping sauce. Okay. It says a uniquely Russian twist on snack food. These rye rust or snack croutons are flavored with this taste of dill pickle and include a small dipping sauce tray within the bag. Pickling has a long history in Russia, used to keep food preserved through long winters and often consumed with a glass of vodka. Okay, when I saw the name had pickle in it, it reminded me of vodka, because that's where I learned that, because you know, Russia is the king and queen of vodka, okay? We went to a vodka museum and they told us that usually you drink the vodka and you chase it with a pickle, you know, like tequila, you chase it with, you know, a lime or something. With vodka, you chase it with a pickle, and it like it's a whole different taste, and it's actually a better experience. I don't really like vodka and I don't really like pickle, but the two of them together is like perfection. Like that's what you have to do. And so when I saw this and I saw pickle, I was like, this must be from the vodka. So here you go. Ooh, this is cute. This is a Baltic amber bracelet, officially part of the country, but nestled between Poland and Lithuania on the Baltic Sea. Kaliningrad Oblast is separated from the rest of Russia by almost 400 kilometers. Locals make these bracelets from high-quality Baltic amber, fossilized trees resin, formed 44 million years ago in a variety of naturally occurring colors, and sure to add pop to any outfit. And it has care instructions. You keep away from direct heat and extreme temperatures. Store in a cloth bag or a cloth-lined box. Wow, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, I've never heard of this before. This is 44 million years ago? Like really? Fabergé inspired tin egg with Maisky black tea. These eggs were introduced at the courts of Tsar Alexander III and Nicholas II, soon developing into a national craze throughout Russia. Use this Fabergé inspired tin egg as a perfect hiding spot. It's safe to keep in full sight, and surprise! Until then, enjoy the high-quality Ceylon teas tucked inside, which Russians typically enjoy with jam as a sweetener. Okay, what's next? Ooh, this looks good. This is Timoshka sunflower seed kozanak. Russia is officially the world's second biggest sunflower seed producer, second only to Ukraine. And either squeezed as oil or right from the shell is a favorite taste throughout the country. Kozenak is a fondly remembered childhood treat sold by street vendors. It's similar to sesame or peanut brittle, but crowned with the beloved sunflower seed. This looks really good. It's like glazed over and stuff. I'm like excited about this. Okay. And then there's one more thing left in here. The last thing, this is a bonus item. What? Okay, bonus item. Okay. So this is the Alenka milk chocolate bar with caramelized milk filling. And it says, our Facebook group members have a chance to earn a bonus item in every box. In this month's box featured the best known post-Soviet chocolate. Cosmonaut Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman in space, and Russia's most iconic chocolate brand was named for her daughter, Alenka. Created by chocolate factory Krasnaj, whatever, it's Red October. Operating since 1851, Alenka Chocolates even have their own museum in Moscow. How cool is this? So it looks like they have their own Facebook group, and you can join it through this link they have listed here, and you can earn free bonus rewards in your next box. And they also have a link here. You can scan it, like it has a QR code down here, or just a shortened link. You can go there to find bonus content on their website, including videos, music, and a virtual tour of St. Petersburg. They have it all here. So I just had dinner, so I cannot eat anything else today, but I'm going to sit down on another day and film me tasting each of these items for you to let you know how they taste. So you'll see me in a moment, which will be another day, testing out these snacks. Let's go. First up is the Tulski. Let's dig in. Looks kind of like, I don't know, kind of reminds me of Biscoff cookies, but softer. Let's try. This one is actually really good. It's not as sweet as obviously our desserts or snacks are in the US, but this is like a really good snack. This snack is one they mentioned in the notes that is good with tea, and I definitely could see how great this could be with tea. So when I have my tea tomorrow, I usually have tea after lunch. I'll take a little bit of this and have it with it. I think that would be perfect to go with a glass of green tea. Okay, next up is the 3 Piroshki. Now this is the one I mentioned that you should have with vodka. So first I'm going to pour up a glass of vodka, but I just want to have the full experience. Let's open this package up. Like, there's a full little dipping sauce. I have questions. But these things right here, they smell straight like pickle. This is what it looks like, but it literally smells like pickles. I think what you do is you drink some vodka and then you put this behind, if I remember correctly from the vodka museum. So, oh, I haven't had vodka in a while. Oh my God, the strong taste of pickle. Oh my God, yeah. And I'm still questioning this dipping sauce. I just can't open that. Like, is tartar sauce okay? It's not refrigerated. Next in the snack pack is the Tomoshka sunflower seed Kozenak. So let's open it up. And like I said, it kind of reminds me of a kind bar. So this is what it looks like. So let's taste that. Oh. It's really hard. Like, it was harder than I expected, because since I said it looks like a kind bar to me, I expected it to be soft. Maybe not soft, but it is good. It's a good snack too. Okay, Russia, I see you. I see you with the snacks, Russia. The last up is the bonus item, which is the Alenka milk chocolate bar with caramelized milk filling. Okay, let's open it up. That chocolate looks amazing. Ooh, that reminds me of a Snickers. They have, oh, it smells really good. Let's try it. Oh yes, oh my God. That tastes really good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now let's go over this box and what do I think about it? So I really enjoyed this box. I think it has a nice flavor and touch for people who would like to travel to different countries, but they're just not able to, whether because of the Rona, because they can't afford it, or it's not something that they're truly prioritizing in life. I think this would be a great box for anyone, from the traveler to the non-traveler. I like that it has a mixture of food and material items, because food you're gonna get rid of. You're gonna eat it, you're not gonna be able to keep it forever, whereas this you can. So I really like the mixture of that, because a lot of things that I see is usually all materialistic or all food items. It's a great learning experience, it's a tasting experience, it's just the overall experience, bringing that country to your home. And I will leave the link to, if you wanna just go to the link, you can click on it, it's down below. What you need to know about this code is that with code KITA33, or by clicking on the link that will take you directly to the site with the code already entered, is you get a free gift with a half-year and full-year subscription. But this code only lasts until March 11th, 2022, and it's just in time for their box, which ships out on March 14th, 2022 to Guatemala. So you're gonna be able to bring Guatemala to your home once you subscribe to a subscription box. Now let's talk about each of the food items and how I like them. The worst item for me, I just could not. I'm not a big pickle fan, but I actually would rather have a real pickle than this. Now, the second least favorite item, wow, that's kind of hard. But if I had to pick, it would probably be this one with the sunflower seeds, because it's just harder than I expected. So it like kind of got in my teeth and stuff like that. Going up the ranks, so now number 2, the second best, okay? Because now we're about to go to number 1 after this, but the second best is this snack. I love the taste of it. It's a nice little dessert. And my favorite snack, if you cannot tell by my expression, is this, y'all. This is great. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be gone before the end of the day tomorrow. Okay. All right, explorers, thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed me trying these Russian snacks and learning about the Trouvailles box, make sure you hit the like button. If you have any questions about the box, make sure you leave that down below in the comment box. And please make sure you check out in the description box that link, and the discount code is KITA33. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when all of my videos are released. And make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and your social media networks. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.